Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I did this face. I know it doesn't look like I did anything, but I promise I did. This is my go-to makeup look for anything that I don't want to be too fancy. For everyday going out with friends, anything. Today I'm going for a dinner with my coworkers. Yes, including my boss. So this is basically what I came up with. Super simple, no eyeshadow needed. It's just how I do my face. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I did this, then please just keep on watching. So don't mind the hair, it's like super crazy and the whole thing. I already put my bases on, like moisturizer and all that stuff. For primer, I just use the Professional by Benefit and then Too Faced Shadow Insurance on my lids. I haven't used foundation for so long, like unless it's like a full-on dinner party, I won't even bother putting anything on my face. I'm letting my skin breathe. I feel like ever since I stopped doing that, plus with the skincare that I'm using, my skin has never been this awesome. So for today, I'm using a Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream from Bare Minerals. I'm on my front camera. It's still 4K, but it doesn't focus as well, but it's just a whole lot easier for me. And my favorite way of putting anything base on, oh my god, my hair is so crazy, is with just a beauty blender. This is the yellow one. I think this is their Joy. It's called Joy, I don't know. I have like 3 mirrors right now, guys, so that's where I'm looking at. I have like another mirror. Next thing I'm going to use is my Maybelline concealer. It looks like this.
Oh my god, my lips are so dry, so probably gonna put lip balm after. Just a little bit. I worked nights last night, so I need a little brightening effect. Because it's, yeah.
So while that's sitting in, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. And I'm going to get the color Nudie. And I'm just gonna, with just a fluffy brush, this is a MAC 224, I know, so old school, you guys. I'm just gonna brush it all over. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is like just my base color. Also, I have lash extensions, so wait, I think I already said that. Oh my god. And I'm on my second week of brows as well, so please don't mind it. And then next thing for my cheeks, have Sunny's Face in Air Blush Disco. Sorry, my nails too. And the color looks like that. So it's like super blendable. I love this. It's like amazing. So I'm just gonna do a few swirls, and I'm just gonna just for added effect, I do put this. I think it's like a well-known secret now, to connect your blushes in the middle of your nose. Pretty much just build it to how crazy you want it, because it's definitely buildable. Like, see, I have still lots of products. I still have lots of product on my fingers. My English is out the door. And then if I have like anything that's left behind like that, I just use it on my lips. Because like today I'm going for dinner, and because I'm going for dinner, I don't want any dark lips, so sometimes I leave my lips bare. So usually that's what I do. So while everything is marinating on my face, I'm just gonna use the Stila waterproof eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a thin, very thin line, just to, you know, help my lashes a little bit. See? Oops. Okay, that was hella hard. This is actually the first time I'm putting eyeliner with my lash extensions, so I'm just gonna brush them off. They're in like their second week, so they're already almost wonky, like if you can see growth. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I'm using this Brow Luxe pencil, so I'm just gonna brush them first. I love this pencil. It's super easy to use. And I'm using the color Deep Brunette. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, while that's happening now, I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star powder. And I'm gonna bake a little bit. Oh guys, by the way, it's so pretty. Also, the smell of this powder is delicious. Like, it freaking smells legit like cotton candy. I'm not even exaggerating. So I'm just gonna press it in. It's not really baking, I guess it's kind of baking, but I'm not putting like an excessive amount of powder. Just pressing it in. Oh my god, I literally want to taste it because it freaking smells like cotton candy. That's that. I'm gonna close it because I won't need any more powder. And then we're just gonna leave it for a little bit, do a couple things, and then come back and brush it off and then just finish. Okay, so I think I've waited like a few minutes. I'm not gonna wait too long because it's winter. I don't want my skin to be super dry. I'm not gonna use a powder brush. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender, and I'm pretty much just gonna blend it on my skin. So last couple things, we're just gonna I'm gonna use my Cover FX illuminating spray. Just gonna mix that bad boy. And then I'm gonna use my Becca Skin Perfector highlighter and a Prosecco. Oh, sorry guys, Prosecco Pop. It's like they're gold. It's kind of like a really light gold, just very, very lightly. This is gonna be a dinner with like my bosses and stuff, so you don't want it to be like super popping. Okay, yeah. For the lips, I'm just gonna use a Kylie lip liner in Candy K. Just gonna line those lips. Just gonna line those lips. There, and then so I'm not gonna put any lip color other than the lip liner, just because I am going for dinner. This is not gonna last long. I don't want to put liquid lipsticks just because, again, it's winter. Everything is so dry up in here that I don't want to cause any more problems because my lips are already chapped. It's pretty crazy. But usually with this look, I'm going to pair it with Sunny's Face Milkshake. So anyways, we're just gonna fix this thing going on, and so this was basically the finished look, you guys. It doesn't look like it did much, and sorry, that's the best my hair would be. But basically this is my go-to for every day, for everything. I just haven't been super into makeup like crazy, like the playfulness wise. Like, my creativity is AWOL, if that's even, yeah, it's, I don't know. But anyways, this is my go-to makeup look every time. Super quick, super simple, perfect for anything really, because this pretty much can change with your lip. So something simple like this is go for everyday office, school, work, whatever. And if you do a bold lip, dark lip, red lip, and everything that's bright, it takes it to the next level. Anyways, so yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.